When you picture humans living on Mars, you probably imagine a massive, sunlit metropolis, gleaming glass domes sitting right on top of the red dirt, protecting a sprawling and incredibly advanced utopian society. It is a vision championed by some of the most prominent voices in aerospace today. Elon Musk has famously mapped out a plan to put 1 million people on the planet. And we are already building the colossal hardware to make that mass migration happen, constructing next-generation rockets designed to ferry thousands of settlers directly to the surface. But this golden, sunlit land of opportunity is based entirely on the aesthetics of science fiction, rather than the brutal laws of planetary physics. The blunt truth is that building a fragile glass dome on the Martian surface is quite simply a guaranteed death trap. There is a massive disconnect between our architectural expectations and what the red planet actually does to human biology and structural engineering. If our most popular blueprint for colonization is completely incompatible with survival, how do we actually establish a permanent foothold? To guarantee the lifespan of human consciousness off Earth, we have to abandon our comfortable ideas of surface architecture. The immediate problem is the temperature. The surface of Mars sits at a brutal average of -60 degrees Celsius. Then there is the air. The Martian atmosphere has less than 1% of the volume we enjoy here on Earth, and it is almost entirely composed of unbreathable carbon dioxide. This diagram illustrates the intense pressure differential between a normal pressurized habitat and the near vacuum outside. That creates extreme outward stress on a dome. If there were a structural breach, the sudden depressurization means your blood would boil instantly and your eyeballs would burst. The physical properties of the Martian atmosphere actively fight against surface habitation, making the environment an aggressor rather than a neutral backdrop. Unlike Earth, Mars lacks an active molten core and generates no magnetosphere to deflect solar winds. Without this magnetic shield, cosmic rays bombard the surface. This overlaid chart shows a massive radiation spike, with daily exposure 40 to 50 times greater than on Earth. Without a thick atmosphere to burn up incoming debris through friction, meteorites strike the ground intact at incredibly high speeds. Add in the electrostatic dust storms that reach 8 kilometers high and blanket the entire globe. Any surface structure, no matter how heavily reinforced, will eventually break under these compounding cosmic and geological forces. Fortunately, the planet itself already provides a natural solution to all of these surface threats. Billions of years ago, volcanic activity caused massive, cavernous lava tubes across regions like Noctis Labyrinthus. Moving habitats deep inside these fractures puts thousands of tons of rock between us and the sky. This offers ready-made, impenetrable shielding against radiation, impacts, and dust storms. Understanding the complex planetary science and atmospheric physics needed to survive these environments requires a strong grasp of the fundamentals. And you can master those concepts interactively with today's sponsor, Brilliant. They have thousands of hands-on lessons that make topics like math, data science, and computer science easy to visualize, including an animated guide to terraforming Mars. You can try everything Brilliant has to offer free for 30 days by clicking the link in the description below. Instead of trying to fight the planet's hostility with fragile panes of glass, we have to use its own geology as our armor. Executing this plan requires a strict timeline. The city must be fully excavated, constructed, and pressurized long before the first human astronauts even launch. Engineers will adapt advanced Earth-boring technology, scaling it down into compact, automated Martian mining rigs. Once deployed into the pitch-black lava tubes, swarms of these autonomous AI robots navigate the dark, clearing out ancient debris and harvesting local geological resources. After carving out the necessary space, these exact same AI systems will 3D print human-rated pressurized habitats directly into the excavated cavern walls. The foundation of our very first off-world colony will be built completely free of human muscle, executed entirely by artificial intelligence. Instead of a bright, sunlit surface city, the first human crews will step into a highly advanced, artificially lit cave. It entirely lacks the romanticism of the science fiction domes we grew up watching, but it is the uncompromising standard required by the strict laws of physics. Accepting this subterranean existence is the mandatory first step we must take to expand humanity into a true multi-planetary species. Trading a beautiful illusion for the practical reality of a Martian cavern is the ultimate proof of our adaptability. It is how we ensure human consciousness survives in an incredibly hostile universe.